Can you hear me now? Hi Morgan, morning. Okay, apparently I am streaming on YouTube. It is very sunny. Wasn't expecting such good weather. Nikki, I saw that you took your first trade this morning and you won it, which is amazing. I know, it's because I'm in Costa. I'm assuming, no, it's not it. It's probably not the greatest idea. I forget that it's not the same as Zoom where it like blocks out all the background noise. Nikki, was it the cell by any chance? So I think I am live on YouTube as well if you guys want to have a look at my screen, because obviously I'm not going to be sharing it on TikTok just in case I do get that banned. But Nikki, yes, I thought it might be because I was looking at that. I was kind of looking at. I've been kind of waiting for a trade all morning, but nothing really is showing up. Let me just have a look. So right now, so I was kind of. If you guys are on YouTube, you'll be able to see my charts, but I'm basically showing some trend lines. We've got a really, really steep trend line going on gold, but I was kind of expecting a bit of a pullback at some point, and it looks like it is happening. So right now, probably not really that interested in buys, but I mean, who knows? But I hope you've all had a good morning. I think I saw Pixie on here. If you are on here, Pix. Oh, there you are. I am in not Costa. I'm in Starbucks. Not the one that we go to though. Morgan, thank you. I think it's the sun, I'm not gonna lie. The sun is literally making me glow right now. Hi Brian, hi user with the numbers. Which one are you at? So I'm at the one near Matalan. Oh, to be fair, I should have asked you if you were around. Hi Thomas. But yeah, I wanted to maybe show you guys a little bit of my trend strategy that I've been doing for my longer trades, which isn't a scalping strategy by the way, so I'm only looking at the 1 hour and the 4 hour. But yeah, I haven't been able to catch a trade this morning on gold. Oh, you're still in bed, Pixie. I hope you're all doing okay. I think I'll be seeing you later anyway, won't I? Because for your lashes. Okay, so looking at gold now, gold is creating the steepest trend lines, like potentially. Actually, no, I reckon. Just have to see, wait and see what happens. Do I have any traders on here? Obviously, apart from the girls and James. I don't think Morgan. Do you trade as well? Where am I from? I'm from just outside of London. Thank you for the follows, guys. I'm so sorry, I literally can't really see because the sun is so bright. Plus size queen. Oh wow, okay. I've never been called plus size, but okay. I've been scammed multiple times. Sorry, I'm just trying to read. Oh, Lee. I'm really, really sorry to hear that. Was it through like signals? What was it through? Also, by the way, guys, someone messaged me yesterday saying that there was a fake account of me, basically messaging them, but not really saying much, just asking like how they were and stuff. So just be wary, because I'll never really message anyone first or be telling people to like send money or anything like that. So, and also just, oh god, it's literally, I feel like I'm in a hot country right now. Force me to sell everything. How did they convince you to do that? Oh, are you talking about like they forced you to sell like stocks or your positions? I'm confused. But I'm really, really sorry that happened. Oh, Nikki, you got a message from me too. Yeah, well, you guys know, my only accounts. That's so strange because apparently, apparently I'm messaging people, but I'm just asking everyone how they are. How strange. But yeah, Lee, I'm really, really sorry that you went through that. Morning, guys. I am live on YouTube. If you want to see my full charts, I won't be able to show them on TikTok just because they really don't like it when I show the charts on TikTok, so I don't want to get my account banned. But yeah, that is not good, Lee. Morning, Matt. Hope everyone's alright. Has anyone been able to take any trades this morning? My morning's been super slow with gold. I have got my my areas of support and resistance up. I can't believe that, Nikki. It's so strange, isn't it? Like, what is it that they're saying to you? Morning. Oh, hi, Sammy. Took a couple good trades. What is it that you trade? So just so that you guys know, I trade gold against the US dollar mainly, but I do look at a few other currency pairs for my day trading. I've been trying to kind of not perfect, but kind of work on a strategy using trend lines. You copy trades, you don't trade. I used to use signals, and I actually moved away from that. That's how I got into trading. I got into trading by using signals. Over the years, I have spent a lot of money on courses, had an information overload. Mine was a fluke, looking after no retest or wick on candle when I went in. Yeah, so I know which one you're talking about, Nikki. Are you talking about like when that big candle just pushed down? Did you wait for the candle closure? Just asking how your day was. Yeah, that's exactly what this other guy said. He was like literally just asking me like how I am. So strange, or what you've been up to. I've made over 15k on a demo account, but too scared to open a proper account. Oh, that's amazing, talents clip. That's really, really good. How long have you been like trading for? Thank you so much for the people who are following me as well, guys. I can kind of see a little bit. Don't forget to double tap the screen. Where are we? So we've got. God, I do find at the moment. Gold in like London open session, like it's just been really slow. Hey Vexed, just go funded, demos are pointless. I agree. I actually do agree with. I can't read your name, or if you even have a name up. I'm pretty sure you're just trying to be horrible to me. But I actually do agree that definitely just go to funded, because 90% of trading is your psychology, and if you're using demo, then you don't have any of that involved. So when you then actually put a bit of investment in, or you actually put real money in, you start facing the real challenges when it comes to trading. So I feel like if you focus on demo, you like create bad habits, and yeah, you just don't actually know what trading's actually really like. Do you like ICT? I have nothing against ICT, but I don't trade. I understand a few of the concepts like order block, trading off order blocks, waiting for change of character, change of structure, then trade off the imbalance. But for some reason, it's just never really clicked to me. And like I always say this when people are like, ask like what strategy to do, like just try a strategy, learn a strategy that resonates with you, that's like clicking for you. If it doesn't work, then try to move on. But for me, I kept trying to. Oh, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. I kept trying to learn too many things all at once, and I honestly got way too overwhelmed. Red Devil, are you an actress? No. Big one closed and went in on the next one, which was. Oh, yes. Yes, that was like relatively quite a small candle, but obviously it paid off this time. It's good that you have the guts to make the trade, but just have a little list of your rules. What's the best broker to go with? So I used to be with Vantage, but now I'm actually with, Kudo Trade. Did you do a video with Alpha? Yes, I did. I did a podcast with them not that long ago. I got roasted on YouTube for saying yeah too many times. I did not realise how many times I say yeah, so that's on my list to stop saying yeah. Got stuff to do but listening. Shout out if you need me, mod. Oh, thank you, Nikki. I need to list my confluences rules. The thing is, you want to have that list because that's the thing that's going to protect you in the long run. God, I actually can't believe how slow this is. If I do have anyone, let me have a look. If I do have anyone over on YouTube right now, and you can see my chart, it's really not doing a lot. Potentially could be looking for a bit of like a bounce off resistance for a sell. It's kind of creating lower lows, lower highs. Sorry, just trying to read the comments, guys, because it's very, very sunny here. Hey Samara, thank you so much for the follows, guys. Hi Ryan, I had a dream about you. Good dream, I hope. Lewis, yes, I do have a free Discord, guys. The link is in my bio, so hopefully I updated the link yesterday, so it shouldn't be expired. But thank you so much for the gifts. But yeah, anyone who wants to join the free Discord, we share trade analysis. We've got a lot of, I would say, ICT traders in there. So yeah, definitely good to network with other people, and we check in with each other every day. So how much time a day do you look at the chart? So how disgusting is this? I checked my screen time and it was saying it's something like 16 hours a day, which is disgusting. Don't recommend it, and I'm on a mission to actually kind of calm down with my screen time. But yeah, join the Discord, guys. Morning, Cuppa Rock. I saw that you actually sent a gift, so thank you so much for that. I hope you're well. I'll have a look at your last post after this, Cuppa Rock. Is that your name, by the way? Or is that just like a nickname? That's my coach. Oh, amazing. Okay, cool. But I am streaming live on YouTube as well, guys. That link is in the bio. Oh my god, it's the first, is it the 1st of April today? I'm going to be announcing the winners for my free 50k giveaway. So, yeah, anyone who's already in my Discord, I will announce the winners today. 2 people going to get a free 50k account. So I mainly trade gold against US dollar, but I do look at JBP and JBP, JBY, and EU, GU, US. So slow this morning. Haven't managed to trade anything. But I'm just back testing something at the moment with trend lines. So as some of you guys will know, I'm a price action trader. So currently, I mainly use a scalping strategy, which I learned from Daniel Holmes and Raja Banks. And that's basically purely off support and resistance. I like, personally, catching breakouts better more than like the bounce of support and resistance. But no, I don't trade crypto. Backtesting is good. I do this with automation. I've literally just signed up with FX Replay. But yeah, obviously you guys are here on YouTube, not YouTube, TikTok. But if any of you are on YouTube, I've just got my charts up now, and I want to show you guys. So I've been looking at NAS 100 using this trendline strategy. It seems to be working really, really well. Where's your Discord link? All my links are in my bio, so my YouTube, my Discord, all in my bio. So yeah, I wanted to work on a strategy that was better for like long-term trades, because I would say the trading strategy the type of trades that I take now are definitely more on the scalping end. So I just use support and resistance really, plus candlesticks, higher time frames as my confluence. My trend line strategy, whenever I look at it, I always think, oh my gosh, this looks quite complicated. But I'm really, really liking finding like the breakout trends once it's broken out the trend. I don't know if my phone's getting too hot. Scott, thank you. Oh, it is such a nice day today. Really, really nice. But yeah, guys, please ignore the state of my hair. It's so greasy. I'm literally just thought I'd come on a live, see if we could catch any trades, but I don't think we're going to be able to today, to be honest. On live anyway, sorry. Because I have got a hair appointment. We got some red folder news this afternoon, 3 p.m. Thank you, Scott. No, my hair is so greasy, so it's gonna look. I've been so excited to get it done. Yeah, nothing is happening. Anyone got any ideas? Anyone in any trades? James, I didn't actually manage to see. Yeah, everyone is having a bit of a slow morning. James, what is it that you trade again? So how to enter the giveaway? If you want to enter the giveaway, you've got very limited time, but if you subscribe to my YouTube and just make sure you are in the Discord, if you want extra entries, you can purchase a funded account with Alpha Capital. Use my code DOEYFX, you'll get some money off, and I'll enter you into, like, I'll put multiple entries for the giveaway. But yeah, I'm going to announce 2 winners for 2 free 50k accounts later today. Thank you for the follows, guys. Ciao. Hi, darling. Hi. I backtest every night after every session close. Yeah, it's such a good way to learn. Everyone add me, I need live access. Yeah. Trying to join the free Discord link, but I don't know why this happens. Really sorry, Lewis. Could you message me and I'll be able to reply back obviously after the live, and I will send you the link directly. I don't know why this happens sometimes, because sometimes it works absolutely fine, but then yeah, other times everyone's like, it just doesn't work. Can I have your Snap? So Snap is Doey Trades. With my Snap, I still post a lot of like trading content, but it's a lot more like behind the scenes, a little bit like less formal. I was using Snap quite a lot, like a month or so ago. It's got like a whole feature like TikTok on it now. Crazy. Yeah, so slow. Obviously you guys can't actually see my screen here on TikTok. I've got it up on YouTube. Potentially looking at maybe this. Just gotta wait and see, really. Anybody ever told you should be named Nobody? No. That's such a strange thing to say. Why would you? Oh, is it? Morning, Chris. You should have been named Nobody because nobody is perfect. So random. But yeah, nobody is perfect. Your imperfections make you perfect. Thank you for the follows, guys. But yeah, guys, I won't show my charts on TikTok just because I am on my first warning ban. Thank you so much, Jordan. Have a nice day. Samara, oh, thank you. Yeah, no, Scott, I'm still confused. Oh yeah, that's what I was going to show you guys, but obviously you're not over on YouTube, so I'm going to talk through. So I've been looking at NAS 100. So I'm finding that this is respecting kind of this trend line strategy. God, I literally can't see the screen. The sun is so bright. Guys, if you don't like what I'm saying, just move on. Turned on community. Did you see my message? Sorry if I do miss any messages, guys, because it's really hard to actually see the messages when the sun is literally shining into my eyes. Where are you from? Strategy isn't relevant, it's all about psychology and risk management. Oh my gosh, 100%. I think strategy is such a small percentage of trading. Like for me, the last few months have really, really been testing my psychology. Really, really bad. I've had a lot of spirals. And you know, I always come on here and I try and be as honest and transparent as possible. Like, nothing that I say is financial advice. Like, this is purely, you know, educational, entertainment purposes only. Like, all I'm doing is like sharing my experience, showing what works for me. I wouldn't say this is necessarily any of like my strategies. Like, I didn't invent these things. Like, I've also learned them from other people who have had really, really good results. I think when you learn something, because we're all individual, we all see the charts differently, you're always going to put your own spin to it. If you were nobody, that would mean you're perfect. Oh, thank you, Scott. Do we show proof of subscribing to your YouTube in the Discord? Yes. So if you could just screenshot, and then in my Discord, there's like a giveaway section. If you could then just screenshot and send it into there. Are you British? Yes, I am. Just outside of London. Let me rescue you. Rescue me from what? You look like J-Lo. Oh my god, that has made my day. I definitely don't agree, but thank you. What's your biggest life lesson? Oh my god. We can't, that's like a story for another day, honestly. What's my biggest life lesson? Oh, I don't know. I think like after everything that life has thrown at me, like honestly I feel like I'm 28 guys, and I literally feel like I've lived 100 years already. Yeah, that's a story for another day. It really is. Don't pocket watch and concentrate on you and staying. Wait, don't pocket watch and concentrate on you staying in your lane. So you're at auntie level now. What? How old's your mum? Probably not gonna like the answer. My best advice. Let me guess, you're in Thailand? No, this is England, mate. This is England, and the sun is like this. The typical trader stereotype isn't Thailand, by the way. It's definitely Dubai. Penthouse Dubai, all of that stuff. Lamborghini. But yeah, no, none of that. All I'm trying to do is get better at the skill, meet some nice people along the way, meet some horrible people along the way. There's plenty of them, but also plenty of nice people, so really, really appreciate all of you guys who are just lovely, amazing people. Don't know why anyone would want to go to Dubai. My family are in the UK. I think obviously with a lot of the reasons why people want to go to Dubai is probably to do with tax reasons. Can I learn from you? So I'm actually live on YouTube right now. So I'm going to go live every day and trade live every day. Yesterday I was on at, my usual time will be 6:30 in the morning, because I find that a lot of the trades that I catch are pre-London. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. I am actually on YouTube now, like I said, but it's moving really slow, so we're just having a little chat with my TikTokers. Nothing really is happening for me, so I can't take anything. Oh, finally, I can actually see a little bit. Thank you so much for the follows. I feel like this is lagging so much, my phone's getting really hot. Is the YouTube stream private? No, it's not. It is live, I think. Let me just check actually. I'm pretty sure. Just so slow. So slow. But yeah, no, it's not private, it's live. Well, according to OBS. Yeah, according to OBS, I am live on YouTube and Facebook. Weird. Yeah, I've got a couple people on YouTube actually. But yeah, to be honest, guys, nothing is really happening at all. Right. Crypto news. Good morning, Ben. Thank you. Can we talk about Quebec? Don't have a clue. Same name. So I am actually gonna change my YouTube name to the same name. But if you try type in Doey Ragborn or Back to Basics FX, it should come up. If not, there is a link in my bio that should take you straight to the YouTube page. Yeah, guys. Oh, God, to be honest, recently I have hated the London session. Like, it is just so slow. Like, it's barely moved at all since I've been on for like the last half an hour. I'm gonna actually put buys. Even like, so just put in where I want to buy and sell, but sells, it's looking really messy. I feel like it's going to be I think it's going to be a no trade day, to be honest. Thank you for the follows, guys. You're the type that you take home to meet mother, aren't you? Are you in the UK? It looks very summery. I know, this is the UK. I'm very surprised. I can finally pretend that I'm just in a hot country. The sun definitely helps my mood, makes me very happy. Okay, I keep getting distracted, but let me just explain quickly before I have to go, because I have my hair appointment at 10. So with this trendline strategy, you're basically you're creating your trend lines, which I use the tool Ray, not Trendline on TradingView. And for me, a trend line is 2 points or more. And then basically what I've been waiting for here, so these cells, so this is a really steep trend line up here. It broke the trend line, and then I'm also using support and resistance for my entries. So then, because this was an area of resistance, an area, previous sell, once the trend line broke, this was the area that I took a sell. Then you can see here, there was another trend line, less steep, area of resistance, which you could then add to that position. Like, with NAS 100, this has been respecting this strategy so much. But yeah, that's not a scalping strategy, which is what I usually do. Guys, obviously, you guys on TikTok probably thinking, what are you talking about? I am talking through the charts that I've got up on TikTok, not TikTok, YouTube. What do you trade in? So I mainly trade gold against the US dollar, but I do look at a few other currencies. But I have been looking at NAS 100 and US 30. Made 2% this morning, took EG long after liquidity sweep of Asia, low to, oh amazing. So is that like ICT concepts? This morning I'm long on gold and potentially long US 30. I'm gonna have a look at US 30. Yeah, so even with US 30 yesterday, there was a really, really nice sell. Again, using so this wasn't a breakout trend, this was just respecting the trend, and again using support and resistance. Where am I? I am just outside of London, surprisingly. But yeah, I am definitely really liking this trend strategy, so I'm going to be backtesting it a little bit more. But like I said, with certain strategies, I feel like they work. You've got to get to know the pairs that it works well with. Only in the name, though, all the concepts were prior to ICT by other names. Yeah, no, I agree. North or South London? More like outside of West London, I would say. Are you funded? So I have a funded account with Alpha Capital. Just opened a funded account with FTMO as well, a 10k account. I find that where I always used to trade live accounts, in all honesty, I really developed a lot of bad habits. Live funded. So I had a live funded account and sadly I did blow it the other day. I'm really happy that I did get a few payouts from it, but I decided to trade on a day that I was feeling very emotional, and I basically made a huge mistake with my lot size, and then yeah, I spiraled so bad. I'm still battling with the psychology side of things. But that's just me being honest. Literally nothing going on, nothing happening. So boring. One of my lucky Discord members is going to be two of my Discord members are going to be getting a free 50k account with Alpha Capital. Funded is definitely better. Live Capital brings too many emotions, FOMO and greed. I agree, and I think because I was so used to trading live, when I then started trading funded, I had those really bad habits. But I heard something today, so one of my many mentors, Daniel Holmes, he said something of like, you know, if you're not disciplined in the charts, you're probably not really that disciplined in other areas of your life. So I've been looking at other areas of my life, and for me, fitness is something that I've always, been like, oh, I'm going to go to the gym, I'm going to do this, and I just never stay disciplined. I'm really focusing on being disciplined in all areas of my life now. Fueling myself, eating, my boundaries, everything. Psychology is the last battle overcome that you are and you are there. Oh, it's amazing to hear that. But yeah, I agree. The revenge got to you, as it tends to with Live Capital. Yeah, definitely. Oh, Daniel, he trades straight price action. Yes, that's exactly the same as what I do. So I trade price action, the support and resistance, but I also trade price action trend lines as well. I haven't even traded today. Haven't managed to find a decent setup, to be honest. Are you in any positions this week? So yesterday I took a live trade on my stream. I took another trade off stream, but a lot of the time I'm currently only scalping, so I won't hold trades. I'm just currently back testing the trend line stuff so that I can enter more long-term positions. Oh gosh, it is 9:45. Guys, I am going to head off, but it was really nice talking to you guys. Had some nice trades on gold today. That's amazing, Mark. But I will see you guys tomorrow. So apart from Tuesdays and Fridays, every morning at 6:30 I'm going to go live. I'll be live here on TikTok, but I'll be on YouTube as well, so that you can see my charts and I'll actually trade live with you guys. So I hope you all have the most amazing day. Okay, so let's come off now.